right, what's up Instagram? What's up world? Timo Wilson, your credit and funding coach, also CEO of ASAP Funder Incorporated. I'm actually here today with a good friend, also turned client, DT, who's now the owner of Die Try in Phoenix and Die Try in Tempe. I'm gonna let him take over a little bit about his journey working with me one-on-one with his car buying purchase as well as his business funding. So DT, let me ask you a question. In the 5 months we've been working together, what part of the process was the most valuable to you?
Honestly, it was definitely having someone that kept me accountable to the business, like the goals that I had set forth for the business. So that was definitely the most valuable part of it, is just having somebody that really kept me accountable with like spending and everything else. So
definitely. Now let me ask you, I try to tell entrepreneurs all the time, the only way to scale after you have the blueprint down is working capital, aka business funding, right? So what areas of your business do you plan to use the $140,000 that we funded to help grow?
The goal right now is to build a digital product with the business to just kind of help it grow.
It sounds like you're looking to build like a digital sales arm to be able to scale, your membership sales and bring more awareness to your brand. That's awesome. And then I know you got a few pieces of equipment at the other gym as well. Tell me how that kind of saved you.
One of the big concerns, one of the big issues that we had come up at my Tempe location was that we needed air conditioning, one of those simple things, but something that is a mandatory thing here in Arizona, something that you absolutely need. I would have lost money if I didn't get it, so like Timo was definitely able to come through and help me get that all set up as well.
So basically, guys, all in all, businesses require capital to start, to grow, and to scale. The way I ended up with DT was I was actually referred to him by a friend. And as a CEO of a 7-figure company, my health is number one, because the more you invest into your health, the more clarity you have up here, the more downloads you get, the cleaner you are, the more energy you have to serve your clients, to serve your employees, et cetera, et cetera. So I was at the beginning of scaling season, meaning I was getting ready to scale up my marketing, was referred to DT, and through his services, he kind of showed me, the quality and the value that he brings to the table. And as a CEO of 2 gyms, I got to look around at all of his trainers, his amazing, impeccable culture, and we realized one problem, that his space is pretty much maxed out, and in order to scale, you have to come up with different ideas in order to do so. So for 5 months, we've worked one-on-one, we laid down blueprints, plans, and there were some plans that weren't effective, being completely transparent with you guys, right? Like when we went for his Mercedes car purchase the first time, we didn't get the good news right away. We put our heads down for 30 days, got him approved onto business funding. So personally, if you're in Arizona, if you're in Phoenix, Chandler, Scottsdale, or Mesa, and you're looking for the best trainer in Arizona, I co-sign DT all the way.